David intro.
How's it going, everyone? My name is David Kim. I'm a physical therapist. I went to UCLA for undergrad and pursued a physical therapy program for 3 years. And I'm linking to my girlfriend's and I'm working therapy, which is walking distance automatically. So I'm another called Seoul On Sixth, basically once a weekend. And he started that about 6 months ago, and it's currently on the come up. So
Fun fact, I'm gonna have to have you say that all again, but in the midst of conversation.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today I'm here with David.
How's it going? Good to be on the show.
Welcome. The only times I've really been able to interact with David is when I babysat Jacko here, and he came by to pick him back up, so I have no idea what David likes drinking. Why don't you tell me a little bit about what you like drinking so I can actually make something you might enjoy today?
I'm pretty open-minded, but if I were to pick one liquor, it'd be scotch. I've been really into Japanese whiskey recently too, but I've come to decide I like scotch the best. I like the long finish that Japanese whiskey has, but I've come back to the just regular scotch, like the Dalmore 12.
I hear you are involved with some taco stuff.
Yeah, so it's not mine. My brother's the mastermind. It's called Seoul On Sixth.
Instagram, right? Oh,
That
thanks,
was
Jacko.
perfect timing. Good boy. On 6th and Whitmer by Good Samaritan Hospital and Pacific Dining Car. It's slowly growing, so look out for us.
Bye, Jacko. We're going to have to call you back later. Let's see if I can make a cocktail for a scotch lover, because that's what this show is about.
Sounds good, man.
I'm gonna go with the spiced rum instead of the scotches because, well, sipping whiskeys are best for sipping and mixing liquors are best for mixing. I see this kimchi and immediately think of Seoul On Sixth, so that's gonna be an inspiration for this drink. And we've got another condiment we can use that's pretty appropriate. First up in this drink is gonna be some fresh squeezed lemon and then our egg. We're going to start with small amounts of both the barbecue sauce and the kimchi because I don't want to accidentally make this too thick or spicy. Though it turns out I didn't use quite enough. Later I ended up adding a lot more because the honey that I used really covers up a lot of that flavor. The mix of honey, kimchi, barbecue sauce, and the spices in the rum make this seem a lot like a barbecue marinade, just a little bit thinner than you might usually use. After some tweaking, a dry shake, a shake with ice, and a final taste test, this drink is ready to go. Let's see what David thinks. Alright.
I'm supposed to guess what's in it.
Yeah, try to guess what ingredients are in there.
Can you tell me how many ingredients you used?
6.
Okay. That's pretty dank. I'm not a huge mixed drink guy in general, but that aside, I give it a 4.5 out of 5. It's really unique. It tastes like an alcoholic V8, but it doesn't taste like a Bloody Mary. I can tell you used either the Dalmore or the Centauri. I'm gonna guess the Dalmore. It almost tastes like there's carrot in here. I don't even know if we have carrots. It tastes like carrots, beets, and Dalmore. Can I just look at what we have? A little bit of sugar, beets.
Sarah, do you want to try?
Yeah.
Can I say?
If you have any guesses.
Is there kimchi in there?
That's really unique.
Yeah, there's kimchi
I've
in
never
there.
had alcoholic kimchi. Okay, I see it now. I don't know if you would call that acidic. It's just very potent. I was trying to guess what flavors made that up, but it's just one thing.
Do you have any guesses for why it's doing what it's doing?
Why it's frothy? I don't know. It took you 8 minutes, so I'm guessing. Give me an idea.
8 minutes?
You put eggs in there. Egg whites. What did I get so far? Kimchi, Dalmore, beets, sugar, vinegar, and eggs.
I can tell you now, you got 2 of those things right.
I'm not surprised.
I used egg. It gives that nice frothy texture to the top. The whole reason we started using eggs in drinks in the first place was because people were making gin in bathtubs, and so they wanted to cover up that super harsh flavor. Egg white really mellows out the harsher characteristics of cheaper, more dangerous stuff. Now it's just a nice texture. I knew this thing was gonna have a lot of super strong, potent flavors. Most drinks that have an egg white in it have some sort of citrus in there.
Oh, you used lime.
Well, not
Or
lime.
lemon. He used a fake
Lemon.
lemon? Oh my god.
Fun fact, there's no whiskey in this drink.
No.
I used Captain Morgan.
This is the best drink I've had with Captain Morgan in it, because I hate Captain Morgan. To be honest, I'm glad you used that, because I'd rather save my Dalmore for later.
Yeah, no, exactly. If you're using them for sipping, I'm not gonna potentially ruin it for you forever. The last more normal thing that I threw in there, it's the sweetener. You said sugar. It's not sugar. It's
Honey!
Yeah.
honey. This works really well with what I plan to do with the drink because honey has its own almost earthiness to it. It has that honey taste, and then there's like a slight almost dirtiness to it because, you know, it's bee poop or bee vomit, one or the other.
Yeah, I think it's bee piss.
It's all three at the same time. Great way to add a sweetener and a little bit more of a subtle flavor to your drink.
How did you come up with this? Give me your thought process.
Oh, actually, that's a great segue. Basically, even before I came in, I was like, I kind of want to see if I can make a drink that's sort of based off Seoul On Sixth.
Nice.
And what's Seoul On Sixth all about?
Bro, we don't use any kimchi in Seoul On Sixth.
Oh, shit.
But, I mean, it is a Korean Mexican fusion, so I get it. I get it. No, I mean, we did in the beginning. No, we really don't.
What provides that red color to this drink and a little bit of that like fermented spice flavor is kimchi brine. Is that brine? There's actually a lot in there. I think I ended up putting about an ounce and a half.
Wow.
There's one last thing in this drink that is gonna really trip you out, I think. So what's one of the most important things about tacos besides
Salt.
tortillas and salt? Besides those, I guess.
Meat?
Meat. I know you guys probably have your own like special blend of seasonings, but you had a meat flavoring type thing in your fridge, and I used that, and it's
Whoa. Let me guess. Turkey patties. Thawed turkey patties. Barbecue sauce.
barbecue sauce. Sweet and spicy.
You're kind of a genius in this realm.
Didn't put as much of this as I put of the kimchi. One of my mistakes in some of the previous episodes that had things like this is I put way too much of the condiment, so it just tasted like you were eating a salad or a marinade. It's fine for a couple of sips, and then you're just like, oh, I can't handle this. So, just a little bit to add a little flavor. It's sweet and spicy. It melts with the honey, melts with the kimchi. In my head, I was like, I'm making a barbecue marinade, but I'm making it more palatable to sip on rather than just eat as a barbecue. How do you feel knowing all this stuff is in your drink?
I feel empowered to be in this position. Just knowing that this is even a thing, it makes me think of big ideas like that kimchi bread. One last thing. Did you taste this before you served it to me?
Of course.
Okay.
I have the worst situation here because I taste everything before I serve it, which means I taste it when it's still bad, and I have to make all those adjustments before.
Oh, I just get the good stuff.
You guys get to enjoy the final product, and I get to suffer for my art.
Well, it's an honor to be on your show. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, welcome. Or, thank you. So, guys, that's David's Kitchen Drink, where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Remember to drink responsibly. Bye.
Cheers.
No, I'm not drinking that.